Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to point out that because Cypress runs in a browser and you have full access to the DOM, you can manipulate the page before you make any assertions. And I often manipulate the page by removing elements before taking visual screenshots, because then I can remove all elements that are non-deterministic, that I cannot control, and that just make the test flaky without contributing anything to my knowledge. So imagine we have a list of items and we want to remove a middle element. How would we do that? This is my markup. I have a list of items. The parent list has ID pets, so we can get pets li elements. Now, this should give me three elements, so I usually run an assertion before I modify anything. Should have length. This way we know the application has finished loading the data, so three elements. And now we want to remove a middle one. It's not the first one, and it's not the last one, so I'll use sci-eq command or query command, and I'll pass index 1 because indices start with 0. So this should give me the middle element, and this yields a jQuery object, and jQuery has a lot of helper methods that we can invoke. For example, we can invoke the remove method. And notice right now we remove the shark and only dog and cat are left. So we can confirm that we have, let's say, two elements. If you have access to my Cypress map plugin, then you might use assertions on the text. For example, should read, and we just provide dog, cat, strings. I think this is even better than just confirming the number of elements. So this is how we can call jQuery methods to remove an element from the page before we run next Cypress command or assertion.